Hello once again, back with another unboxing. Something I picked up over the weekend just came out. Expansion to Shadespire, Warhammer Underworlds Shadespire. Spiteclaw's Swarm. I didn't get the Fire Slayers, figure I'd pick them up later at another time, since the other expansions and the entire game are still sitting there unpainted. But 30 bucks, 5 Skaven, why not? Add to the pile of things that aren't painted. Only thing I've done so far is slice the edge there. Here's the back. You get 5 Skaven and a bunch of cards. So let's see. Still have not played a single game of Shadespire. I haven't painted a single Shadespire miniature that I own. I think with probably, maybe soon. Let's see what's in here. Sprues. Set that there. Close this down. Let's see how this turns out. Let's get his face in the camera. We'll see. So you get 1, 2 sprues. More. 2 sprues. Instructions. Spiteclaw's Swarm. And they're the easy put together, push together models. I still glue them usually, but until I paint them. They're pretty cool looking though. It's pretty nice. Throw that up there for a second. You can see that. Some other stuff. They go together pretty good. So let's just take a look here. Here's the sprues. First one is Spiteclaw. It looks like is on here. So he's the one sitting on that archway. Go through the sprues real quick. See what we can get. It keeps focusing out. Yeah, they look pretty cool. I like that they're cast in brown, so that you're not painted. They did a good job of casting everything in appropriate colors. The corn ones are red. Blue for the Stormcast. Oryx are green. And what's the other one? Oh, the skeletons were like that bone white. But these are cool bases. Little rat crawling under there. You see that? It's a cool base. What else we got here? Rat swimming. That's something you wouldn't even notice by looking, because usually you're looking at it on an angle, so you probably wouldn't even notice. But that's cool. I didn't notice that before. That's cool. Some really nice details on these guys. Let's see what we got here. What about these bases? Yeah, there's a hand. Or no, those are toes. This one has another rat coming out. This one has part of a foot. But yeah, cool. Pretty nice stuff. I really like these Shadespire miniatures, and they're a nice deal for 30. You get 5. The skeletons the same way. You get a lot more than that, but they're all very dynamic. All, look at that guy's face. It's cool. Yeah, these are gonna look good together. Probably put them together real quick. Just pop them together like the other ones. Let's see what we got. So the decks of cards. Let me see. I'm not gonna go through each card, but just figured pop them together. Not working. Get out the trusty X-Acto knife. It's pretty cool. I like that. I want to try and play the game at some point, but Aversion to Death, Skaven Courage, Frenzy. Is this the whole Skaven stuff? Wow, that's a lot. Nope, that one goes for the other ones, so they're all kind of mixed in there. Don't know what they mean. I'll have to go back and look, but pretty cool stuff. Like I said, it's a pretty cheap game. I think it was, what, 60 bucks for the initial set. So you can get right in there and jump in and play. If you just like collecting miniatures, it's a nice deal for, well, deal in terms of Games Workshop prices, but so here you go. Scritch Spiteclaw, Kirk the Almost Trusted, Lurking Skaven, Hungering Skaven, Festering Skaven. I like the Festering Skaven. That's pretty cool. Feast East, Feast, Arm's Length, brilliant. These are cool. Nice cards, the backs, fronts. Yeah, I like that they're green. The bigger they are. Black Hunger. Cool little set. Looking forward to seeing the Fire Slayers too. Those look pretty good. But yeah, I don't know. Nice little set of miniatures. Shadespire seems to be like a big hit with a lot of people, and so far I'm loving it. Those skeletons from before are just fantastic. Same with the orcs. But everything, good stuff. That's it. That's some Shadespire, Warhammer Underworlds, Shadespire. Have a good one.